Where does the name for Fron Fawr come from? So today I'm on the road between Llanfairpwll and Llanefydd in Conwy County, and there's two interesting hills here. This one behind me is Fron Fawr. Fron is the soft mutation of Bron because originally it had a in front of it. So Bron means a hill, so it means the hill, and Fawr is the soft mutation of big, so it literally means the big hill. Now, on the other side of the road is Pen-y-Coed. So we have pen, which means a head, but figuratively means the top of something or a hill. And then we have which means the, and then we have coed, which means woods. So it literally means the top of the woods. Anyway, diolch. Have a good one. Shout out to the guys on the quad. I always like having a chat with people if I'm on the road. Give us a like, give us a share, subscribe to us. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, check out my Patreon. It's on the link in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.